I've been getting a lot of likes, and everyone wants to talk about this 80-20 rule like they don't know about it. Anyways, it's 80% of the women are trying to fight for 20% of the men. So, by definition, that means that there's going to be 70% of the women left over that are going to have to settle or they'll die alone. And we're going to have 80% of men that are either going to have to find that 70% of women that don't believe that they actually are on the same level. These women are not looking for those men, and it's really sad because the 20% of men that they're looking for actually have more than one woman on average. Because, see, when you're up at the top and you're a man of value, women throw themselves at you, and other women see this, so they want that naturally. But the problem is those men are not in the same type of category as the other men. So those men basically get what they want, and what you have is no different than all the rest that are coming down the line. And furthermore, what do you have that you haven't already offered another man to offer that high value man that's in the 20% pool of men? Because if it's just sex and a pretty face and some makeup or some fake new plastic, accessories, that's not what those men like. First of all, no insult, no shame, no guilt, and don't have an obsessive compulsive need to be right. That's some good advice. But you know what? For the men, don't do that to the women either, because there's a lot of low value men that do the same thing, and it's a result of them being raised by women. And that's the weak men generation that's happening right now. But let's try to stay on topic here, because the point of this is that 80% of the men that are left over are actually the better men. Those are the ones that are one woman man. That's the one woman man group that you actually want. They're happy with one woman. They're going to treat you better. They know how to cherish a woman. They know how to, well, of course they're going to appreciate, because some of them are dying virgins. And some of them, you know, are, turning into this breed that's called an incel. And basically what that means, yeah, get yourself ready. That means that you are practicing celibacy, but not by choice. So there's something to think about.